AI is not coming for your job, but someone who knows how to use AI is. Teams using AI tools are seeing 20 to 40% faster iteration. Companies are hiring fewer junior devs and expecting the ones they do hire to be AI fluent from day one. This is a practical guide: what to learn, what to stop learning, and a 90-day action plan to future-proof yourself. The developer job market in 2026 looks nothing like 2023. Knowing a framework used to get you hired, now knowing how to build with AI gets you hired. Typing speed mattered. Now prompting skill matters. Solo coding was valued. Now human plus AI collaboration is valued. 5 years experience was required. Now demonstrated output is required. These are the skills that become more valuable as AI gets better, not less. Number 1, system design and architecture. AI can write functions, it cannot design systems. Understanding how pieces fit together, how data flows, and how to make trade-off decisions is the single most valuable skill you can develop. Number 2, AI fluency, not AI research. You do not need to train models, you need to know how to use them. Prompt engineering, 1 week. AI coding assistants like Cursor and Claude Code, 2 weeks. Building with AI APIs, 2 weeks. RAG, 3 weeks. AI agents, 2 weeks. Vector databases, 1 week. 11 weeks total. Number 3, product thinking. The developers getting promoted are the ones who say, here is the problem, and here is why this solution works, instead of just, I wrote the code you asked for. Number 4, communication and writing. In a world where AI writes code, the human who can articulate requirements, write documentation, and explain technical decisions becomes invaluable. Clear PR descriptions build your reputation. Technical blog posts attract recruiters. Architecture docs show senior-level thinking. Now the harder part. Some skills that were valuable in 2023 are now low return on investment in 2026. Stop memorizing syntax. Use AI to generate boilerplate. Stop grinding leak code for months. Practice system design instead. Stop learning every new framework. Go deep on one stack. Stop manual CSS pixel pushing. Use Tailwind plus V0. Stop writing tests from scratch. Generate and review. Stop building everything from zero. Learn when to use existing tools. The smartest developers in 2026 are not fighting AI. They are using it to 10x their output. Your daily AI workflow. Writing features with Cursor or Claude Code saves 50 to 70% of time. Debugging with AI context saves 60 to 80%. Writing tests 60 to 70. Documentation 70 to 80. Learning new code bases 50 to 60. Refactoring with agent mode 60 to 70%. Build your AI portfolio. 5 projects that prove AI fluency, an AI chatbot with RAG, an automated workflow with N8N, a full-stack app built with Cursor, an open-source contribution with AI-assisted PRs, and a technical blog documenting your workflow. Here is the concrete plan. 90 days to upskill whether you are junior or senior. Month 1, Foundation. Weeks 1 and 2, install Cursor or Claude Code and use it for every task. 50% of your code should involve AI. Weeks 3 and 4, build a project using the Claude or OpenAI API. Deploy one AI feature to production. Month 2, Depth. Weeks 5 and 6, learn RAG and vector search. Build a chat with your docs feature. Weeks 7 and 8, learn N8N and build an automation that saves you real time every week. Month 3, Leverage. Weeks 9 and 10, build a complete AI-powered project and deploy it live. Weeks 11 and 12, write about it, share on LinkedIn, contribute to open source. Public proof of your skills. Not all roles are affected equally. Here is where the opportunity is highest. AI/ML engineer, highest demand and pay. Full stack plus AI, growing fast and most versatile. DevOps and platform, critical and hard to replace. Security engineer, emerging and undersupplied. Technical PM, high impact. Data engineer, foundation of every AI product. Roles under pressure. Junior front-end devs because AI generates UIs well. Move toward full stack. Manual QA because AI writes tests. Learn automation. Boilerplate back-end devs because AI handles CRUD. Move toward system design. Salary impact. Developer without AI skills, 80 to 130. With AI fluency, 110 to 180. Building AI features, 140 to 220. AI ML specialist, 170 to 300,000 plus. AI fluency is a salary multiplier. The gap is widening every quarter. 5 common mistakes to avoid. 1. Trying to learn everything at once. Pick one tool, learn it deeply. 2. Ignoring AI because it is just a fad. Cursor hit 2 billion ARR. This is not going away. 3. Only learning the tools, not the thinking. 4. Not building publicly. Your skills are invisible until you show them. 5. Competing with AI instead of leveraging it. The developers who thrive share 3 traits. They use AI as a tool, not a threat. They focus on skills AI cannot replace. And they build and share publicly, proving their skills through output. The best time to start upskilling was 6 months ago. The second best time is today. Full blog post with the complete 90-day plan, salary data, and every tool linked in the description. Subscribe for more developer career content.